This is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to lead you through the process of setting up parental controls for this device. So the first step that you need to take is to launch settings. Then after that, enter Google category. In here, make sure that there are no accounts connected to the system at the moment. If there are any, as it is in my case, you need to remove them. You can do that by tapping over here, then going for manage accounts on this device option. Open all the Google accounts that you have and remove them like so. Once this part is out of the way, we can start the setup procedure that is accessible from the same Google category of settings. So open up parental controls, get started, child routine, next. Now we will wait for a little bit. Next, tap on add or create account for a child option. Google, then if you have some account prepared, just sign in. If not, sign up. In my case, I do have an account waiting, so here's the email for it. Then I will off the screen enter the password. Now we will quickly rush through the process of setting up the Google account. Just accept all the services and what's not that it asks you to. Then choose the account that we have just logged into from the list. After that, you need to enter the credentials to Google account that belongs to a parent, or a supervising Google account, the account that will be used for supervising the child's activity. At the following page, scroll it all the way down. Then, in order to confirm the linking procedure for both accounts, enter the password to the child's Gmail account. After you do that, tap on the blue agree button. Then choose the allow option from the following pop-up window that you'll get. Then wait for the child's and parent's account to get linked. Click on the next button. In here, if you want, you can turn off some apps from the start, but you will be able to also do that later on. So in case you want to deal and finish with this setup, just skip it by clicking at the next button. The same pretty much applies to filters and content restrictions. Next in here, so we have two ways to proceed. So if the device that is written in the bold font is the one that you'll use as a parent, or the phone that you'll use for supervising your child, just tap on the install family link option, and the needed app will get automatically downloaded and installed. In my case, that is true. If not, just tap at the skip and manually get this family link app from Play Store, which is not a hard task to do. So in my case, this device that is written in a bold font is the one that I'm going to use. So I have this REALME on me. The download procedure, everything that has to be done at the child's end was finished. In here, I have to somewhere get here is the app that has been automatically downloaded. Now I need to launch it. In here, make sure that the right account is chosen, the one that you have earlier identified as the parent's Google account. Then continue, and at the apps interface we can see our phone. Where is it? Here it is, our phone. Here we can set up data limits, downtime routine, app limits, and see as well as monitor the app activity. Then apply content restrictions, configure account settings, and manage devices if you have multiple. Alrighty. Oh, and well, obviously you can also monitor the child's location in real time, and well, see some highlights for your child as well. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys, as far as the parental controls setup procedure goes. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.